Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to outline text in Photoshop with no fill. Okay, I have a text. Click Effects and select stroke color. Select it in color. Example, I click color. Select blue. Select drop shadow. Okay, then again blending options and now see this fill opacity. Drag and use 0. Click OK. Double click that. Double click. Double click text. Hold Alt right arrow key for white text. Click OK. Now we can see this outline text with no fill. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, share.